Let's begin by opening 3ds Max if it's not already opened. And we will open a file from the Chapter 3 directory in our default scenes folder. In the upper left corner, click the Application button. Select Open from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Chapter 3 directory inside of the Scenes folder. Go ahead and open the file called Chapter 3 HillDeform01.max. You can double-click the file, or you can click on the file, then click the Open button to open it. The scene consists of a flat plane and our road objects. Go ahead and select the flat plane object. This object is called Landscape 01. Click on the Modify tab in the Command panel to open the Modify panel. We can see that this is a plane object, and it's also a parametric object. We can see the parameters, the length, the width, the number of segments, and several other options. In order to work with this as an editable poly, we need to first convert it to an editable poly object. With the plane selected, right-click on top of the plane. In the quad menu, navigate down to Convert to, and click Convert to Editable Poly. Make sure you click Convert to Editable Poly. We don't want to convert it to any other object type. The Modify panel now shows this as an editable poly object. We're now able to work at the sub-object level, and we have a new set of editing tools available to us. We're going to go ahead and change our selection method so that we can use a tool later on in our editing process. In the main toolbar, make sure you're in Select Object mode. Currently, we're selecting our object using a rectangular selection region. Click and hold on the rectangular selection region, and all the way down at the bottom of the flyout, you'll see a spray can. This option allows us to select by painting. This selection method is an alternative method we can use to edit our geometry. Release the mouse button to make the change. In order to make sure that we don't mess up our current configuration and that we have a file that we can go back to if we need to start over, let's save this file with an increment. Click on the Application button. Click Save As from the drop-down menu. In the Save File As dialog, click the plus button in order to increment the name as a new file. If this asks you to overwrite a file that already exists, just click Yes. You are now working with a file called Chapter 3 HillDeform02.max. We will use this file to do our editing while keeping the original data in the file 01 intact.